This is SUPERCUB 50 EFI, so let's see what's inside the SUPERCUB. So this SUPERCUB has a 50cc engine, standard catalytic exhaust, 60 by 100 front tire, and front drum brake, and also it has also 60 by 117-inch tire. So let's open up our SUPERCUB. In order for us to remove all the plastic fairings, we need to remove all the screws, 3 screws on the front cover, and also on both sides you have to remove all the screws. Make sure that all the screws are properly arranged so that when you put it back, everything will go smoothly. Now this is what the inside of our SUPERCUB 50. So that's the ECU, the regulator, and the signal light flasher. It is automatic clutch cover. It has a K-hen throttle body and ignition coil. That one on top is the idle controller. Using a tiny mini exhaust with catalytic converter. So the exhaust pipe is so small, just enough for a 50cc engine. So this is what the throttle body looks like. So small, almost your thumb will fit inside the throttle body. So that's around 20 mm. 19 mm throttle body, and the airbox intake is so small also. This is the other side of the engine. By default it has a chain cover. We're gonna remove it. So the stock front sprocket is a 13 teeth front engine sprocket, and the rear is 46, and using a 420 chain size. So let's turn our motorcycle on. So in the future, we'll change our exhaust to an aftermarket exhaust. So stay tuned for more videos here on our channel.